In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send GIFs in Slack. Whether you're looking to brighten someone's day, add a touch of humor, or express an emotion that words just can't quite capture, sending a GIF can be the perfect solution. So, let's dive right in and make your Slack conversations a little more animated and fun. First, you'll want to open up Slack on your device. You can do this either on your desktop or through the mobile app, whichever you prefer. It really doesn't matter which platform you choose, as the process is the same for both. Once you're in Slack, navigate to the channel or direct message where you'd like to send your GIF. This could be a team chat, a project-specific channel, or even a private message with a colleague or friend. Wherever you want, make sure it's where the GIF will have the most impact. In the message box, you're going to type a special command to access Slack's GIF library powered by Giphy. It's a simple command that starts with a /, so you're going to type the following: /Giphy, and then a keyword that describes the type of GIF you want to send. For instance, if you want to convey happiness, you might type #Giphy happy. The keyword can be anything you'd like, from emotions like excited and sad to specific subjects like coffee or cats. Be imaginative and think about what best suits the message you want to convey. Once you've entered your command into the message box, you'll press enter. It's as easy as that. After pressing enter, Slack will interact with Giphy to fetch a GIF that matches your keyword. It might take a few seconds, so be patient. Shortly after, a GIF will appear in the chat, providing a fun and visual way to engage with your colleagues. One great thing to keep in mind is that each time you use a keyword, the GIF displayed can change. If the first GIF doesn't quite fit what you were hoping for, simply repeat the command and you might get a different result, giving you some variety to choose from. Additionally, ensure your team or channel guidelines permit the use of GIFs, since they can sometimes be seen as distracting in more formal or work-concentrated environments. In case they aren't allowed, a message might pop up saying so, and it's always good to respect workplace rules. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly spice up your Slack conversations with engaging and lively GIFs. It's a great way to keep things fun and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy Slacking!